everyone, I am Norman.
I'm Pretty.
I'm Devon.
I'm Tan.
We are
The Ecoblitz team.
We are from SMJK Heng, Cawangan, Bayan, located at Sungai Tiram, Penang.
Our school is not just for learning, it's a community where we aim to make positive changes.
Now, let's address one of our school's biggest challenges, the lack of proper storage space.
Due to this shortage, students are forced to carry heavy school bags filled with textbooks and stationery every day.
Carrying these heavy bags not only lead to physical discomfort, but also affects students' ability to learn effectively in class.
It's a problem that affects every student in our school and impacts their overall well-being.
That's why we've been inspired to find a solution that addresses this issue.
Introducing the Ecolocker, a sustainable option made from recycled plastic and paper.
Ecolocker provides students with dedicated place to store their books, stationeries, and belongings securely. We aim to lighten the school bag for students and promote a healthier and comfortable learning environment. Our solution helping the school save money and making storage solutions more accessible to all students.
Ecolockers is made primarily from two materials, big plastic containers and cardboard.
We choose plastic containers because they are strong and waterproof, so the Ecolocker can handle daily use and last for a long time.
Use a hacksaw to cut through the containers to create the door for the locker.
Use door hinge to attach the door securely, then install a door hatch to ensure the Ecolocker can be securely closed.
Add an egg tray to elevate the Ecolocker for easier access and create a book rack or compartments from cardboard to maximize storage space and organization.
To secure the Ecolocker in place, we lock it at the bottom of the school table. This is to ensure that students' belongings are safely stored and easily accessible during class.
Here are the recycled items we need to build the Ecolocker, and the cost is zero.
Here are the items we need from Mr. DIY. The estimate costs are 20 ringgit 50 cents.
Creating the Ecolocker not only solves our school's storage issues, but also encourage environmental awareness and resourcefulness among students.
Thank you for joining us and learning about our project. It may seem simple, but it can make a big difference.
We are the future and we got the power to make things better.